Hi, old class. It's Miss Jen and Gabby, and today we're going to be making a lava experiment. So the first thing I'm going to do is tell you what you need to start. So the first thing you're going to need is either a towel or a tray to put on the table so you don't make a mess. Then you're going to need a glass jar. You're going to need food coloring.
You can choose any color you want that you have in the box.
Yep. You will need some water, and you can use vegetable oil or baby oil, doesn't matter, and Alka Seltzer Tablets. Okay, so make sure you have all those ingredients, and then we're going to try the experiment. Okay, so now we're ready to start our experiment. So the first step is to pour some oil into your container. So, like I said, you could use vegetable oil or you can use baby oil. I would say fill it up about halfway, okay? Then the second step is to pour in some water. Now watch what happens to the water. Whoa, the water went down to the bottom of the glass container. It is cool. Okay, then the next step is to put in a few drops of food coloring.
We're using red.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the final step, and this is the coolest step, is you're going to put in an Alka Seltzer tablet. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're pretty big.
Go ahead. Whoa.
What the?
Okay, so I'm moving closer so you can see it better.
Whoa.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about why this is happening. So the first thing you're probably wondering is, why didn't the oil and water mix together? Ooh, it's changing color. It's so cool.
It's cool.
So it's separated because the water is heavier than oil. Water molecules are more tightly packed together, which makes water have more density than oil. The oil has less density, which means that its atoms and molecules are farther apart, which makes the oil lighter than water and float to the top. Now you're probably wondering why it's fizzing. It's fizzing because when the tablet and water combine, they create a gas called carbon dioxide, which causes bubbling that you see. These bubbles carry the colored water to the top of the oil, where they pop and the water falls back down.